Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at colour recipes for Auburn Hair. Okay, three standard colours here: titanium white, yellow ochre and burnt umber. Now we're going to start off by mixing up the shadow colour. This mix is also going to carry through the other two mixes. So we're going to take the burnt umber and just mix into that a bit of the yellow ochre. That's looking pretty good. So I'll move on to the next colour here. I'm going to start off this time with the yellow ochre, and we're going to mix into that some of the first mix, some of the shadow colour. Add this a little at a time and regularly refer back to your source picture. Just bringing that down a little bit more, and that's pretty close. Okay, so on now to the highlight colour. As always, start off with the lighter colour. The volume of the paint that you mix is going to be determined by how much of this colour you have to put in. So if you'd started off with the darker colour and had to pile loads and loads and loads of white into it, you're going to waste lots of paint. Always mix the dark into the lighter colour. Now, as with that mid-tone, we're using the same mix all the way through, so these colours should sit quite harmoniously against each other. There it is. If that's been useful to you, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks very much for watching, as always. I'll see you next time. Cheers.